Good morning to everyone. I'm really privileged to be part of this webinar where we are discussing about India and Korea Business Forum. I'm really privileged to be part of this forum in the august presence of Mr. Kim Yong Jo, Chairman KITA, Mr. Mayank Jalan, ICC President, and I thank ICC for organizing this forum. Trade Minister, Republic of Korea, Minister of Finance, Industry, IT, MSME and Textile, Government of West Bengal. Then I'm privileged to be part of this webinar along with Mr. K.T. Rama Rao, Honorable Minister of UD Industries, ITNC, Government of Telangana. I've heard him in so many forums and I'm really privileged, one enlightened man, a young man who is working towards bringing in a lot of opportunities into India. Mr. Supriya, Her Excellency Sri Priya Ranganathan, of India to Korea, Ambassador of Korea to India, His Excellency Shin Bong Kil, Mr. Amay Prabhu, Chairman ICC WR and Partner UAP Advisor. And I'm privileged that Mr. Deepak Wagla, MD and CEO Invest India, is also in this forum. We'll love to listen to them all. I'm here to listen to you all, learn from you all. Odisha is evolving as a destination, as a hub for economic development under the leadership of our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Naveen Patnaik. Most important part for any trade between any two nations, between the states, is a stable government. And Odisha has been providing a stable government with stable policies and implementation of policies at the grassroots level. And it's known for the quality governance of our Honorable Chief Minister. Odisha is no more the best kept secret. People all over the world, the largest companies in terms of minerals are in Odisha. Their presence is felt across our country and in the world. Globally, Odisha has become a hub for mineral development. At the same time, we have just 6 focus sectors on which our government is bringing in or developing the ecosystem to attract international investment. I'm proud today that earlier also we had a similar kind of meeting, webinar with the Korean government, and in future also we'll continue to do so to facilitate Korean investment into India and into Odisha. Odisha has a huge coast of 500 kilometers with 11% of water reserve of the country, and with a huge trained manpower, we are definitely going to be a hub for economic activities. We have 53% of mineral deposit in bauxite, around 33% of iron ore deposit, and around 25% of coal deposit. And we have a lot of other minerals in Odisha. At the same time, we have huge railway and national highway infrastructure. Odisha is power surplus. Odisha is surplus in terms of water. So we have all the ingredients to become a hub for economic activities. We are not here to compete with anyone. Odisha is slowly is evolving as a destination for economic activities. We want support from Korea. As a child also, I have been using electronics from Korea, and I strongly feel that with the technical know-how, with the technical knowledge that Korea has, and the kind of resources that we have, we club together and grow together. Mutually, this symbiotic relationship will definitely take industries into the next level in Odisha and India as such. The trade war between between China and USA has definitely brought down the economic activities in the globe. And at the same time, the attack of the coronavirus, economic activities has slowed down. But this has definitely opened up newer opportunities. Our Honorable Prime Minister has seen a vision of a $5 trillion economy. And our Honorable Chief Minister, Mr. Naveen Patnaik, has announced that we would like to touch economic activities in tune of $1 trillion. So this vision can be implemented, I strongly feel, by one way, that is through IT, electronics. In this modern era of machine learning, artificial intelligence, robotics, I think Korea can definitely guide us, help us, and together we can grow. Odisha is a land of opportunity, the land of Jagannath, with a stable government, with all the ingredients that any industry needs, is definitely a better destination for economic activity. I welcome all the Korean delegates. I welcome all the champions of the industries to come and visit Odisha. We have the best of the policies in the country. We have one single window and transparent system, a stable government, and a government that has trust of the people of Odisha for the last 20 years plus now. So Odisha is definitely going to be a hub for economic activities. I welcome all the Korean companies to come and visit us and have an opinion of their own. I'm really thankful to ICC and all the partners for this webinar. And once again, I thank you all. Vande Utkal Janani. Jai Hind. Namaskar.